Multiplying polynomial expressions by monomials. Multiplying monomials and multiplying polynomials by. First, multiplying monomials. You have to remind yourself with this a power m, a power n equals, we have to add the powers. So if I have the same variable, I'll add up the powers. So it will be a power m plus n. Okay? So find each product, please. Okay, remind yourself also with something else, that if I have positive times positive or negative times negative, same sign will be, the answer will be positive. If I have negative times positive or positive times negative, the answer will be negative. So different signs will give me negative. Let's start here. So 6 times negative 4 and x times x power 3 times x power 4. So I'll multiply the numbers here, and then I'm going to add up the powers here. So 6 times negative 4 will be negative 24, and 3 plus 4 will be x power 7. The next one, I'm going to multiply the numbers 5 times 7 and adding up the powers. So x I have here x power 1 and x power 1, and I have the y power 2 and y power 1. So it will be 5 times 7 will be 35, and 1 plus 1 will be 2, and 2 plus 1 will be 3. So it's 35 x power 2 y power 3. Work out this alone, please. Okay, so 18 times 3 54. Yes, very good. Then y power 2, y power 6, x power 3, x power 8, and z power 1 and z power 4. So I'm adding up the powers. So I'll start with the x. So it's 3 plus 8. Then y, 2 plus 6. Then the z will be 1 plus 4. So 54, 3 plus 8 will be 11. Y, 2 plus 6 will be 8. And z plus power 5. The next one, 6 times 8. Yes, work it out. It will be 48. X, 3 plus 1. Then the y, 1 here and 1 here. So it will be 1 plus 1, and the z is 1. So it's 48 x power 4 y power 2 z. Let's do multiplying polynomial by a monomial. So remind yourself with the distribution property, if I have x here, I'll multiply it inside the bracket, so it will be distributed to each term inside the bracket. So it's x times 3y, x times 4z, and x times negative 5. So 3 and x times y will be 3xy, then 4 x and z xz, then negative 5x. So let's try here. I'm gonna distribute the 3x to each term inside the bracket. So 3x times 3 power 2, 3 times 3 will be 9x, and add the powers, x1 plus 1 plus 2, and 3x, 3 times 6 will be 18, and x 1 plus 1, and 3x times negative 5, so negative 5 times 3, negative 15, x power 1. So 9 x power 3 plus the 1 plus 2 will be 3, then 1 plus 2 will be 2, and the 15 will be x only. The next one here, distribute this to each term. It will be 2xy times 5x squared y, 2xy times 3xy squared, 2xy times 7xy. Then 2 times 5 is 10, x1 plus 2, and y1 plus 1. 2xy, 2 times 3 is 6, then x1 and 1, and y1 and 2, and 7 times 2 is 14, x1 and 1, y1 and 1. So it will be 10 x power 3, y power 1 plus 1 equal 2, then 6, 1 plus 1, x power 2, and 1 plus 2, y power 3. 14, x 1 plus 1 will be 2, and y plus 1 plus 1 will be 2. So the final result, 10x power 3, y power 2, plus 6x power 2, y power 3, 14x power 2, y power 2. Try to work this. I'm going to distribute this to each term. 2a power 2 multiplied by 5b squared plus 2a power 2 multiplied by 3ab plus 2a squared multiplied by 6a, then 2a squared multiplied by 1. 2 times 5, 2 times 5 will be 10, then a power 2 times b power 2, as they are not the same variable, I'll put them beside each other, plus 2, a power 2 and a add up 2 plus 1 will be 3, then the b as it is, plus 2 times 6 will be 12, a power 2 and a will be a power 3 plus 2 a power 2. As it's times 1, it will keep it the same. And here is my final result.